Assalamu alaikum, my dear world. I'm talking to you second time today from Malaysia. I'm Aamer Hasani, and this is my eyefocus MY TV. I just want to ask you, please, let's unite for peace. Let's unite to help each other. This is the time when we can change our world. You know, this world was going to the world war and war of everywhere. The United States, United States of America. Maybe you listen the statement of Trump that our weapons are like this and this and that. That was so sad. So let's see how Allah is doing, how the Lord of Universe showing that He is there and He can do everything. So please, this is my message to all our human beings, our human brothers and sisters. Let's unite for peace. Let's go to help each other. Let's work to help patients and be patient to each other and be patient with others. Countries should be patient with other countries, and let's unite and do the helping work to each other. We can get better with this way. Either we are making making the bombs and rifles and other things. We have to make the medical equipment to serve people, to go for peace. This is the real world. This is the reality that our Allah, our God is showing us. So if you are united at this time, so let's think about that we should continue like this, like helping others, so we can be happy. Everyone should be happy, and we can go forward and we can achieve our goals with this in this way also. I'm not very good in English, so maybe my message can tell you, let's unite for peace, love for all, hatred for none. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Subscribe our channel, eyefocus my TV.